na nigetha mahote gukorwo makinyita wega niki kiratuma tugome ni haturahitania niki kiratuma tukorwo tugiikara muno na ni twacamania na twakorwo tukimera ati ithui tutire na thina na twina wendo muno wa gucoka tukorwo tukiona andu aitu tondu andu aitu ni maromira na ona tugicoka kuririkana ati uhoro uyu wa kiguo ni ugukorwo kirehe murimu wa korera tondu ni kawaida ni tui ria kwina kiguo ta giki ifuatagwo ni murimu wa korera na tutingienda tukinye hau tutacokete wira-ini tondu andu aitu ni megukorwo makiumira no thirikari niyo thina ni tondu ni maregete guka metha-ini ona thutha wa igoti kuruta order ria kumera makorwo magiuka metha-ini.
Because we are going to sign a return to work agreement or return to work formula. So when you sign a return to work formula that doctors are going back to work, everything is going back to normal, what fate are we going to leave is intern doctors? How do we trust a return to work formula if a collective bargaining agreement that has been deposited in court is being violated?